Hi, I am Dejaninath. Welcome back to my channel Craft Addict. Today in this episode, I am going to show you how to crochet this Solomon's knot, also known as lover's knot. This is a perfect stitch if you want to make something lacy. And to my subscribers, thank you so much. You inspired me to bring new videos for you. Those who are new to my channel, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. I shall leave all the information in the description box below. Do like, share and comments. I will try my best to answer you. Do check my Instagram profile where you will get my products also. Now let's get started. For this project, I'll be using this bulky yarn from the hobby store, and this is 75% acrylic yarn and 25% wool. And I'll be using 5mm crochet hook for this, and the color is olive green and it is very soft yarn. I'll be using this 5mm crochet hook, pair of scissors and darning needle. I am going to start with a slip knot. I am making slip knot in this way. You can make in any other way also. Make your slip knot and chain 1. Now pull the yarn about 1 inch long in this way and keep your thumb over the chain. Now in this left side space, insert your hook and pull the yarn. You have 2 loops on the hook. Just make 1 single crochet now, and this is your first Solomon's knot. Now again keep your thumb over the knot in this way and pull the yarn up to 1 inch, and now yarn over, pull through the loop, and now again insert your hook through the space in between the thumb and pull through the loop. Again yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and this is our second knot. Again keep your thumb over the knot and pull the yarn up to 1 inch. In this way go on, repeat the pattern. Just make another Solomon's knot in the same way, and this is the foundation row I have made. Now I have made 5 Solomon's knot in this row. This is the foundation row I have made, and we will move on to the next row. How we will move on to the next row, I am showing you. Now this is our foundation row. I have 5 Solomon's knot here, and to move on to the next round we have to make 2 more Solomon's knot. So make 2 more Solomon's knot in the same way as we have made previously. Now we will start our next round, and the first Solomon knot will not be counted here, and after that we will skip 2 Solomon's knot. So we will be working in this third Solomon knots. So work 1 single crochet, just 1 single crochet here, insert your hook, we are working the second row, and now again we will work 2 Solomon's knot, make 2 Solomon's knot in between the rows. Now we are working in between the rows, so we are going to make 2 Solomon's knot here. You pull the yarn up to 1 inch, again place your thumb like this, grab the yarn, pull through, again insert your hook through the loop, grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops. Now make 1 more Solomon's knot. Now again skip the next knot and work into the following knot here. Make again 1 single crochet. Again we will be making 2 Solomon's knot, and then we will work, skip 1 knot, and then into the next one. In the following knot we will make 1 single crochet. This is how it looks after 2 rows of Solomon's knot. Now I am starting the next row, third row. Starting off any row we will make 3 Solomon's knot. So make 3 Solomon's knot, and while working in between the rows, remember that we will work 2 Solomon's knot. Now skip the first knot and we will work into this knot. Next knot, make again 1 single crochet, now again make 2 Solomon's knot, Now again skip the next knot and then work into the following knot. Make one single crochet. Again make 2 Solomon's knot and then skip one knot and then we will make one single crochet in the following knot, and here we will end our third row. This is how it looks after third row. Now I am starting the fourth row. Again make 3 Solomon's knot. Now skip the first one and work into the next one. Make one single crochet here. Again make 2 Solomon's knot and then skip one and work one single crochet in the next one. So now after end of row 4 it will look like this. Every time you begin with row with 3 Solomon's knot, and in between the rows we have to make 2 Solomon's knot. Remember that. Go on repeating the pattern until you reach your required height. If you want to make it a scarf, make up to 60 inch. So in this way go on making. I am coming back after finishing few more rows. So this is our Solomon's knot. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.